Hi guys! So today we're in my balcony and we're gonna do a balcony makeover.
So without any further ado, let's do this.
This is what it looks like right now.
And we're going to try and reform it into a very homely place. We're going to fix it with planters and stuff so that it looks very aesthetically pleasing.
For that we've thought of making this tiny little fairy garden which we think will look really cute. So stay tuned for that. So we bought a lot of planters and we thought that it would be great if we make this corner like a green balcony and a green corner. Apart from the planters, we also got a few more things. The very first thing out of those is this really cute crochet hanging. It's a plant holder, but it hangs really well and uplifts the look.
We also bought these grass patches so that we could decorate the balcony a little more.
We also got this really antique looking step. It was really cheap and we got it at the local nursery. We thought that putting it in the corner and stacking it with planters would make it really aesthetic, and so we bought this one as well. So now we're going to take two succulent plants. They're like really pretty. They're like really pretty. So now what we're going to do with these succulents is that we're going to transfer them into this really cute pot. So how we do it is that, so I learned it today morning, so do not judge my process.
So I'm just going to copy her.
Yeah, so you just have to do this and it comes as it is.
Okay.
Then you gotta put it. What you're going to do is that wherever you want to put, you have to position them, and so for example I want them here and I think I'm happy with the positioning. So now what I'm going to do is
switch it here.
Yeah, that's it. So this is the positioning that we want now. So this is like a mixture of soil, vermicompost and coco peat. It's like for making the soil a little more fertile. You're just gonna have to put like bulk of soil, this soil mixture, and just put it wherever you want, and just don't like overflow. Okay, so now we have these little cute little fairies, and
We also took a little inspiration from Pinterest, and I hope we were able to match to these pictures.
we got a few pebbles of various colors too, and we thought it would be great if we put them in our little garden, and that's what we're gonna do now. I think we're done. Alright guys, so we're done with our tiny little fairy garden.
We added these different fairies and these little Dalmatians and the pebbles, which I think looks really cute.
And we're done with our little garden. A few elements in the end, a few cushions to uplift the sitting, a rug, and we're done. So guys, that's it for today's video.
And I hope you guys liked it. We just wanted to give a little green and scenic look. We didn't want to redo the whole thing. We just wanted to add little things.
Elements, and we think we did a great job.
What do you think?
Yeah, tell us in the comment section down below.
And don't forget to like, share and comment. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon.
So that you get notifications whenever we put up a new video.
And
Thank you for watching.